hello everyone. I hope it is visible to you. So welcome back to a new live stream. Okay, nowadays I'm a bit free, so I can do lots of live stream. So today in this live stream, let's learn the quick differences between the innately compound leaf. Now it is visible. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, and we are also going to learn the difference between the pinnately and the palmately compound leaves. Okay, so the first difference between the pinnately compound and the compound leaf is in terms of the arrangement. Okay, so in the pinnately compound leaf, the leaflets, they are arranged along central rachis. Okay, whereas in case of the palmately compound leaf, the leaflet, they will arise from single point. Okay, the second difference is in terms of their resemblance. Okay, so the pinnately compound leaves, they will look like feathers, whereas the palmately compound leaves, they look like the hand. Okay, the third is in the terms of leaflet arrangement. So the leaf, they are attached, already told you, along the rachis. And in palmately compound leaf, the leaves, they are attached at common point. Okay, the last difference between the two is we are going to learn about their examples. Okay, so the example include neem, rose and the cassia. Okay, so these are the example of pinnately compound leaf, whereas the example of palmately compound leaves include silk, cotton, papaya and lupin. So this is all about the main differences between the pinnately compound and the palmately compound leaf. Okay, so before closing the live stream, just have a quick recap. So in the pinnately compound leaf, the leaflets, they are arranged along the both sides of a central rachis. Okay, whereas if we talk about the resemblance, so the pinnately compound leaves, they will look like a feather in shape. Okay, and if we talk about the attachment, then the pinnately compound leaf, they will show the attachment along the rachis. Okay, and the example will include neem, rose and the cassia. Okay, whereas if we talk about the palmately compound leaf students, then the leaflet, they will arise from a single point. Okay, so all the leaflet arise from a single point at the tip of the petiole and they will resemble the fingers of our hands. There will be no central rachis, okay, in the case of the palmately compound leaf, and instead the leaflet, they will radiate outwards. Okay, and in the palmately compound leaf, the leaf can be unifoliate. Okay, there will be it can be unifoliate, means there will be one leaf only. Okay, and it can be bifoliate also. Bi, we know it's two leaf. Okay, and it can be trifoliate also. Tri means three leaves. Okay, because they are arising from a common point, so it can be 1, 2, 3, or the multifoliate. So multi, we know there are many leaf. Okay, so this is multifoliate also. Okay, and this kind of uh, palmately compound leaf, they are found in the case of silk, cotton and papaya. Okay, so this is all about the difference between the palmately and pinnately compound leaf. Okay, now we are going to discuss about various types of leaf. Okay, so students, there are 9 kinds of leaf. Okay, So what are the 9 kinds of leaf, student? The first one is the simple leaf. Okay. The second one is the compound leaf. The third one is the needle leaf. The fourth one, student, is the scale leaf. Okay. The fifth one is the broadleaves. The sixth one is the, student, the linear leaves. The seventh one is the lobed leaves. The eighth one is the spiny leaves. And the ninth one is the perfoliate leaves. Okay, students. So there are now total 9 kinds of leaves. Okay. Now let's understand one by one. So simple leaves, what it will include? It will include the single, okay, as the name suggests, and undivided leaf plates. Okay. There will be undivided. There will be no division in the leaf plate. Okay, and the leaf is attached to the stem. Okay, and this simple leaf you can take observed in the case of mango. Okay, so you know mango, there is like single leaf only present. Okay, there is no division in the leaf plate. Now if we talk about the second type, that is the compound leaf, then the leaf plate is divided into multiple leaflet. Okay, so leaf plate here is divided. Okay, and again the compound, since there is a division, so there are the compound leaves are of two types, the pinnately one and the palmately one, which we discussed now earlier only, pinnately and palmately. Okay, so this kind of compound leaf, it is found in the rose. Okay, you can also observe in the case of papaya. Okay, students, the third kind of leaf is needle leaf leaf, and I think everyone must have seen it. So this kind of leaf is found in the coniferous plant. Okay, so conifers are usually not plant, they are trees. Okay, so the leaves, they are thin and pointed. Okay, they are thin and pointed, and the common example that we have, all of us have seen, is the pine. Okay, so the pine tree, they will have the needle like leaves. Okay, student, I hope it is visible to you. The fourth kind of the leaf is the scale leaf, student. So the scale leaf, they if you are looking into their structure, they are small, okay, dry, and like scale like. Okay, so this kind of leaf, they will help in the protection of the bird, and this can be observed in the species known as thuja. Okay, the other fifth kind of leaf is the broadleaf. Okay, so the broad, it name itself indicates that these leaves are large. Okay, and also the flat one. So this can be helping the flat surface. It will help to maximize the process, important process such as the photosynthesis. And the flat leaves, they are observed in the case of banana. Okay, the sixth kind of leaf, student, is the linear leaf. So linear leaf, they will exhibit the long and narrow leaves. Okay, and they will also exhibit the parallel venation. Okay, parallel venation means the veins are arranged in a parallel manner. Okay, like this, and this has been observed in the wheat. Okay, the seventh kind of the leaf we have is the leaf with deep indentation or the lobes. Okay, so if the leaf has deep indentation, okay, it is moved inside, then okay, or it is deeply lobed. So like you have seen the maple leaf, so they will have the lobe. Okay, lobe like this. Okay, they are deeply lobed, they will form a lobe. So those are the lobed leaves, and this is found in the case of maple. Okay, then there are spiny leaves. So in the spiny leaf, the name itself indicated that the leaves are modified into spines. Okay, and this spine will provide the protection. Okay, and also prevent the water loss from the plant, and it is observed in the case of the cactus. Okay, the sixth kind of the leaf is the perfoliate leaf. So this kind of leaf, in this the stem appear to pass through the leaf. Okay, so it will look like the stem is passing through the leaf. Okay, so this kind of leaf is found in the yellow wort. Okay, so student, these are 9 kind of leaf that is observed in the plant. I hope it is clear to you. So these are the 9 types with how they look and in which species they are found. Okay, so this is all in this video, and in the next video let's talk about more about the plants only. Okay, thank you for watching the live stream.